Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet baby shoes designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet baby shoes is a handmade pattern for creating teeny soft shoes for booties for infants using crochet techniques. They are usually made with baby-friendly yarn like soft cotton or acrylic blends and a crochet tube, and they can be styled in many ways: simple slip-ons, boot styles, sandals, or even miniature sneakers. The features of crochet baby shoes designs: soft and comfortable, gentle on a baby's sensitive skin. Adjustable fit, often made with ties, buttons, or stretchy spaces to keep them secure. Variety of styles can be plain, colorful, or decorated with bows, flowers, beads, or animal faces. Seasonal options: warm booties for winter or airy sandals for summer. Customizable size, color, and style can be changed to match outfits or themes. Here are some tips for making crochet baby shoes designs look beautiful, comfortable, and practical. First, choose ultra soft yarn. Use baby safe yarn that is hypoallergenic, machine washable, and not stretchy. Pick light colors for newborns. Pastels like baby blue, mint, peach, or cream are classic and look delicate. Use finer hooks for a teeny spaces. This gives the shoes a neater, tighter finish, so baby's toes stay warm. Add secure closure, buttons, straps, or laces. Help shoes stay on active little feet. Decorate with cute accents. Crochet flowers, bows, pom-poms, or shell animal ears. Make them irresistible. Match them to outfits. Create sets with matching hats, cardigans, or mittens. Make seasonal versions. Winter, closed boot style with fluffy trim. Summer, open toe or sandal style with airy spaces. Use a double sole. 2 crochet layers stitched together make the base sturdier and more comfy. Experiment with texture. Try ribbed stitches, bubbles, or basket weave for stylish variety. Create theme designs: sport shoes, ballerina, slippers, or teeny boards for fun gift ideas. Use elastic thread, add it around the ankle area for a snug but gentle fit. Mix yarn types, combine cotton for the shoe body with floppy or velvet yarn for trims. Add safety lining, sew a soft fabric layer inside for extra comfort. Embellish with embroidery, tiny flowers in details or hearts stays on the sides. Look sweet. Incorporate playful colors, rainbow stripes, ombre effects, or color block designs. Use lightweight yarn for newborns. Ensure shoes are not heavy or stiff. Try Try themed buttons, animal shapes, stars, or wooden buttons add personality. Adaptive sole sticks are glued on felt or pumping tops to prevent slipping for older babies. Make adjustable size and extra stitches or rows to fit from newborn to toddler. Layer with socks. Design roomy shoes that can be worn over socks in cooler weather. Use unique stitch patterns, shells, puff stitches, or lacework for special occasion shoes. Add detachable charm, tiny crochet threads, stars, or tassels that can be clipped on and off. Make quick gift sets. Pair the shoes with a matching headband or toy for baby showers. Test a trace before finishing. Make sure the ankle opening is easy to slip on but won't fall off. Add matching ankle cuffs. Ribbed or ruffled cuffs can make them warmer and cuter. Make seasonal themed shoes, pumpkins booties for autumn, bunny slippers for Easter, snowflake designs for winter. Try multicolor soles, use one shade for the bottom and another for the upper for a modern look. Incorporate sparkle yarn, subtle glitter yarn for festive or special occasion shoes. Personalize with details, crochet or embroider the baby's name or letter. Make them reversible, two-color patterns that look good inside out for playful variety. Use gradient yarn cakes, smooth color transitions without changing yarn. Play with asymmetry, each choose with a slightly different color or design but matching theme. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!